So last week for our leadership segment, I shared with you something that was very hard and difficult. Here is something to add to that difficulty, that in leadership you have to develop the habit of mastery. And that is to embrace the uncomfortable. When I first started Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, one of the things that I really disliked was being pinned under someone heavy, or being placed in a bodily position that was super uncomfortable. There was nothing more that I desired than to get out of that uncomfortable situation as fast as I possibly could. But I noticed something. The harder I tried to get out of that situation, the worse that situation became for me. I began to realize that in leadership, the same reality takes place. The faster I try to get out of uncomfortable situations, the more of a problem they actually become. I had to learn to embrace the uncomfortable, to embrace that moment in jiu-jitsu when someone is trying to squish me or someone is putting my body into a human pretzel-shaped form. When someone is trying to make me completely uncomfortable, I have to embrace that uncomfortability, become comfortable in that reality, and then begin to get my way out of that reality. In leadership, there will be many uncomfortable situations. And while a tendency as a leader is to try to avoid that confrontation or try to avoid that situation, I am encouraging you to embrace it. Because as you embrace it and become comfortable in that uncomfortable situation, you begin to learn lessons that make you that much more effective in your leadership. If you are going through an uncomfortable situation right now, embrace that reality. Share this idea with 3 people, and I will see you guys next week.